Hey guys, you may have noticed by now, but the ServiceMonster development team has officially launched the brand new Newsfeed to the homepage. I'm here to give you a little tour, explain some of the features, and get you excited about using this in the day-to-day of your business. The Newsfeed was created to display important information about your business in a quick and easily accessible way. What you'll be able to see are job, order, activity, and payment updates, as well as any ServiceMonster news, and, of course, anything that's posted by the users. If that's a little bit overwhelming and too much information, you'll want to limit what's viewable on the newsfeed. Well, good news! We included a way to do that really easily. Click on the gear icon on the top right corner. In this drop-down, you can edit channel preferences and select what you prefer to be default, see first, or even hide. Cleans things up if you desire. To post a quick note, write that here. Click Post, and there you go. To view the home page as it used to be, simply click the Go to Dashboard view. To return to the newsfeed, select Go to Newsfeed view, and there you go. And simple as that. Scroll through your own newsfeed, modify as desired, and enjoy. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.